Welcome back, old and new followers, to my channel 10 Little Princesses of the Diamond Lake. Today I will show you what you need for your bead embroidery on swimwear fabric. You can also embroider on regular fabric, so let's go. Do we need anything special? A piece of swimsuit fabric, large enough for the swimsuit part in question. An embroidery hoop, larger than our embroidery. This will always come in handy, so be sure to buy one. Self-adhesive embroidery stabilizers that dissolve in the water at the end. You can order them on Amazon, like I did. You will find the link in the video description. A disappearing fabric marker, but I hope a regular pencil or something else to write with will work just as well, since we'll dissolve the stabilizer later. And of course, beads. From my own experience, I know that it is better to invest in glass beads when embroidering swimsuits. Colored plastic beads lose their patina very quickly, so the more durable, the better. And now the needles. Various bead embroidery artists will tell you that it doesn't matter what needles you use. However, the problem with ordinary needles is that it is very difficult to thread the beads through the eye of the needle. In this case, I recommend buying needles specifically designed for embroidering with the smallest beads. Small, sharp scissors. If you are just starting out, any small scissors will do. Flat bowls or containers for storing beads while you work. Be prepared for occasional spills though. And here is some essential information for embroidering beads onto swimwear fabric. Do not use the recommended plastic nylon beading thread, as it can melt when exposed to water and especially sunlight. Instead, choose regular, high-quality thread in the color of the fabric. And that's it. Get your supplies ready, and in the next video we will embroider a dolphin together. Bye!